Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and today is the Security Update Tuesday for Windows, and we have more details now as to what is in the updates. Once again, I want to remind everybody, Microsoft did warn that it is important to apply today's Patch Tuesday updates for the TCP/IP bugs that are remote code execution exploitable, and these are, of course, the TCP/IP is what makes it possible for your Windows operating system to connect to the internet. But there's a few little things in there that are interesting because there were some flaws that were actually talked about before the Patch Tuesday update, which means that some of these are already known by hackers. Now, we don't seem to have anybody that exploited it yet, but it's interesting. So if you go to your Windows update, you will have a .NET Framework update, and you will have, of course, the security updates for the system. So here you have cumulative update, and you have also the .NET Framework updates. These actually are fixing security holes in .NET Framework also. So that's why that was here. The known vulnerabilities that were actually already announced in advance is the .NET Core framework. So that was actually known before. It's a remote code execution vulnerability. Last week I talked about a Windows installer problem that Microsoft tried to fix several times, and it was still exploitable. Now let's hope that this one works. They have actually fixed the Windows installer elevation of privilege vulnerability. One also that was disclosed is the Windows console driver denial of service. Another one was Windows DirectX information. So these are all security flaws that were actually announced in advance, that were already known before, but they're all fixed today with the update. And so if you have all Microsoft products installed, it's a total of 56 security flaws that are fixed. But within Windows, it's just a limited number of flaws. So it's not too bad of a security update Tuesday. But it is important to apply the updates, of course, for this. If you're on the latest versions of Windows, the May and the October 2020 update, you should be at 19041 or 19042.804. That is where we are at in these updates for Patch Tuesday today. It's important to check that out. If you're on 1909, you're at 18363.1377. 18363.1377. That is the build number for 1909 version. So hope that everything is going well to you. Mine was very quick in installing. And, well, lots of little things that it fixes that are important to fix. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.